In this video, we are going to discuss the cost of car insurance in Alberta, from one of the least expensive in the country to the most expensive in just a few years. Alberta has always been the home to drivers. We have to drive as towns and cities are spread across prairies, mountains, foothills, and tundra. In the not so distant past, Alberta was once one of the cheapest places in Canada to purchase car insurance. Today, it is the most expensive, and it is about to get absolutely insane. What happened? It comes down to a number of influences, and depending on who you ask, these are all weighted differently. Alberta insurance policies are designed to make 7% income for the companies issuing the policies. That means on a $2,000 a year policy, the company can expect a profit of about $140. But according to industry experts, insurance companies have exceeded the 7% without consequences. In fact, in 2021, they were over target with profits of $1.1 billion dollars. And the year before, it was $1.3 billion dollars. And premiums still remain high. If they were held at that 7% average, Albertans would have saved a lot of money with premiums, and they would actually be much, much lower. But that isn't the case. So, what is happening? Auto insurance is a concern for many Albertans, and the government set out to freeze auto insurance rates, and they are expected to continue this trend for the rest of this year. But what happens when the freeze ends? Premiums are going up by a lot. Some analysts claim it will go up between 25 to 40% for the average consumer to compensate the years the insurance was frozen. So, why is Alberta's rate so high? Well, it comes down to a number of items. The first we already discussed: company profits. The insurance companies are designed to make money. It's that simple. Next, the insurance companies claim that Alberta has had too many natural disasters from fires, hail, tornadoes, snowstorms. While this is true, they still make billions more than they actually compensate consumers for, as we already noted. Insurance companies also claim that vehicles are getting very complicated and very expensive to repair. Again, this is true. But then again, Ontario or BC do not drive different vehicles than us. Theirs are also complicated and expensive to repair, yet their premiums are cheaper. Insurance companies say that another reason Alberta is expensive compared to other provinces is that there are simply more cars on the road, more than ever before. Now, Alberta has seen a record number of immigrants and interprovincial migrants pour into the province, escaping expensive places they simply could not tolerate. This population increase can affect everything from houses to rent availability to the demand for products and services to insurance rates as well. Now, this is really interesting though, because our population in Alberta is actually lower than many other provinces who have lower premiums. So, does that mean people in Ontario don't drive? People in BC don't drive? No. So, what is the average cost of insurance compared to other provinces? Well, in the number 8 spot, we have Saskatchewan with a median insurance rate of 1,249. Next is Manitoba at 1,373. Next is Prince Edward Island at 1,703. Number 5 spot belongs to BC at 1,775. A little bit more expensive, Newfoundland, 2,162. New Brunswick, 2,187. Ontario, 2,299. Nova Scotia, surprisingly, at 2,491 takes the number 2 spot. And Alberta, right up there, at 3,151, the most expensive province in Canada to buy car insurance. Now, in 2024, we can expect these rates, according to industry analysts, to increase about 25 to 40%. That means that in Alberta, we may pay up to $4,410 for premiums on average, with new drivers paying upwards of 7,600. That is a lot of money. And no one has an easy fix for this insanity. Keep the freeze, and the insurance companies indicated they may not be able to do business in Alberta, meaning less competition in the future, and that means increased costs as well. Albertans are struggling, and this topic is a huge concern to anyone living here or about to move here. What are your thoughts? What do you pay for insurance? Can you afford the rate increase? And what can be done about this? We'd love to hear from you. If you would like to comment below, and if you found this video interesting and helpful, give us a like. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. Thanks so much.